A river's edge follows the line y equals negative 3x plus 1. A bridge crosses the river perpendicularly at the point 2 comma negative 5. Write the equation of the bridge. All right. Well, we could make a visual, it might help us here, but we can show that we can do it without the visual. All we need to do is extrapolate the information that's given to us here. The river follows this line, y equals negative 3x plus 1. And the bridge is perpendicular, right? So perpendicular, we want the negative reciprocal of that slope. So the river slope is negative 3, right there. The bridge is a negative reciprocal. So instead of negative 3, it's a positive 3, and then it's 1 over that, 1 over 3. So we have positive 1 over 3 as our slope. And we're given our point to negative 5. So we can use point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, right there. So we have y minus y1, negative 5, equals m, our slope, 1/3, times x minus x1, which is a 2. And now we just have to simplify this. Minus minus is a positive, so we have y plus 5 here. 1/3 distributes. 1/3 times x is a 1/3 x. 1/3 times a minus 2 is a minus 2/3. Now, let's write 5 with the denominator 3. So it's y plus 5 would be multiply both by 3 over 3. That is a 15 over 5, or 15 over 3, excuse me. 15 over 3 equals 1/3 x minus 2/3. We're going to subtract that 15 over 3 to both sides as such. So y is now by itself is a 1/3. X minus 2/3 minus a 15/3 is a minus 17/3. And so our equation for the bridge is y equals a 1/3 x minus a 17/3. So after all that, we found or given the line of the river, y equals negative 3x plus 1. We know is perpendicular, so a negative reciprocal slope. And this now equation represents the bridge that passes to a point 2 comma negative 5. And so we have our equation, y equals 1/3 x minus 17/3.